It's a clear day today, so I am taking a drive. I would probably end up at Marina Mall. Some of the guys say they are there, so let's get to it. Don't forget to like, share with your friends, tell them to subscribe as well. Tell them to like the videos, comment any fun thing you see. Yeah, let's get into the video. So that's how the M boys enter the chat. I think they are going to wash their cars, so they'll come after. So guys, which of these are you picking? If you're meant to pick, this is an M8 competition, M5, M5. So yeah guys, I was asking, amongst these M's, this being the M8, F10 M5 and F90 M5, which one would you pick? Me, I would pick the M8 because I feel like it has more performance. I don't know, but I just like it. F10 M5 too, a lovely one. It's been around for some time and it's still a lovely looking car. I feel like in a certain sense it looks better than this, but this still looks very great. I'm not talking about this particular one, I'm talking about the F90 M5. But I like the green and the champagne wheels. Yeah. Lovely cars and high performance. I was trying to get a drive with the boys so we could get some of their flames, because the F10 M5 shoots some really huge flames, some of the biggest flames you actually see around in any car, if I'm being honest. Can't go wrong as well with an Italian. Listen to that. You can't go wrong with an Italian as well. Good. When it comes, I hope I can take some videos as well. Fear for the way. You know it's real when you see the horse. is a Ferrari 458 Italia. Let me see if the door is open. It's written right there. This with the right exhaust will sound like an F1, but I think DDE have done something like that before. Whew.
That's a nice colour. Damn, that's a nice colour.
Ooh, two supercars meet. 458 and the AMG GT. M8 competition also came back. I think they are heading out. You can hear the turbo spooling down. Alright, bro. Ooh, you can hear the turbo spooling down.
Everybody